Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to create and verify Bybit account. First go to Play Store, after then you search Bybit, go to search, and after then you also see their profile icon and logo. Click into the and install. After then you open your account. When you open, you also find this option: sign up, get 5020 bonus and sign up. Select and type into the sign up and login option. Click into here. When you click here, you also see and enter your email number. After then you also create a strong password, 8 to 30 characters, after at least lower characters and upper characters and number. Select and after then you also click sign up. When you click sign up option and your email sent verification code, go to your email and see your Bybit verification code. After then enter your code. When you enter, you also see this option, verified now. Your identity verified. Select and click verify now. When you click verify now, you find this option it. After then click verified and which is your region and country, and document type ID card, driver's license, passport, resident permit. I select ID card. After then you submit confirm option. When you select confirm, you also see this option, I am resigned of or leaving. Select non-use resigned. If you select it, after then enter your NID card font part. Select it clear. After then you submit it and select your back part and take photo. After then you document reliable. Thanks for